Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm bringing to you this really elegant and feminine beret design. It's really easy to crochet. It features a simple shape and a large brim, and I love it. It's so pretty, it's so elegant. As always, the free pattern is available on my blog selinaveronique.com. The link will be in the description box. So for this project I used this yarn, which is called Re-Spekt by Lion Brand Yarns, and it's part of their sustainable collection, and it's a recycled polyester blend. It's super amazing. I love it. It's 45% recycled polyester, 30% acrylic and 25% cotton, making this perfect for a beret. It comes in a 100-gram ball and it's considered a light 3 DK weight yarn. I also used a 4mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a tapestry needle and a stitch marker. So I will be using US terms with British terms in brackets. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That really helps out my channel, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So to begin this tutorial, I will be showing you how to crochet a circle. So I will be using a substitute yarn to do this, but the principle will be the exact same. Okay, so to begin this tutorial, you will be taking your yarn and making a slip knot like this. Pop your hook through and tighten. You are going to be chaining 4, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you will be slip stitching through the first chain that we made. So just go ahead and slip stitch to create a center, and we will be working our stitches inside this center. So now you are going to be chaining 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as your first double crochet. And now we are going to be placing 13 more double crochets inside this center. So to create a double crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the center, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and take your yarn and pull through 2 loops. What I am going to be doing is sewing in my loose end from the beginning into the stitches of this first round, so that I can tighten the center at the end. So now we have 2 double crochets because this first chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Just go ahead and place 12 more double crochets so that we have 14 double crochets in total all around for this first round. So just go ahead so that you have 14 double crochets in total. So I'll let you carry on and then I'll meet you back. Okay, so I've gone all the way around, So I've gone all the way around and now I'm simply going to be slip stitching through the first chain 3 that we did. I've pulled on the center here gently on this loose end, and this has closed up the center. So now I am going to be chaining 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as our first double crochet. Just go ahead and place another double crochet inside that same stitch. Okay, so now go into the next stitch with 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and again place 2 double crochets inside the next stitch, and again place 2 double crochets inside the next stitch, and continue placing 2 double crochets together until you reach the end of this round. Okay, so once you've gone all the way around with your stitches, once again just slip stitch to the first chain 3, and now for the next round, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as our first double crochet. Go ahead and place another double crochet within this same stitch. Now go into the next stitch with just 1 double crochet, so just go ahead and place just 1 double crochet, and now just place 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1 and 2, and now place 1 double crochet in this stitch, in the next stitch, and now place 2 double crochets in the next stitch, and just repeat this alternation of 1 double crochet in one stitch and 2 double crochets in the next stitch until you reach the end of this round. Okay, so we've gone all the way around, and I finished my last stitch with just 1 double crochet, slip stitch to this first chain 3, and for this round you should have 42 stitches. So if you have any doubt about whether your circle is flat or not, I'll invite you to count your stitches round after round to make sure that you have the right amount of stitches. Now for the next round, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as a double crochet. Now place another double crochet inside that first stitch once again, and place just 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and once again just place 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Now in the next stitch place 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and in the next double crochet place 1 double crochet, and in the next double crochet once again place a double crochet. So as you can see, we are placing our 14 double crochets per row, spacing them out evenly row after row. So I hope this pattern is making sense. So just alternate 2 double crochets together, 1 and 2 in one stitch, and then 1 double crochet on its own 2 times. So if you need more help, just go ahead and look at the free pattern, and I'll let you carry on this round, and I'll meet you back at the end of this round. Okay, so I've gone all the way around. As you can see, I finished on 2 double crochets on their own, meaning that I placed 1 double crochet in a stitch here, and then another double crochet in the stitch here. And now I'm going to be slip stitching to the chain 3, and this is what we have. Please forgive this, I've had to attach a new skein of yarn. So this is what we have. It's a really simple pattern. As you can see, we are just adding 14 double crochets per round, so it's very simple to understand. I'm going to stop here for the video tutorial. If you need more help, just go to my blog. The link is in the description box, where there will be the free written pattern, but I will explain the next row and the next row, so don't worry. So for the next row you will be chaining 3, and that will be your first double crochet. You will be placing another double crochet with that first stitch, creating 2 double crochets together in one stitch, and then you will be placing a double crochet on its own in the next stitch, once again a double crochet on its own in the next stitch, and then once again a double crochet on its own in the next stitch before placing 2 double crochets together in one stitch, and then alternate that pattern. And what you will understand about that pattern is that you will be placing a double crochet on its own extra per round. So for this round you will have 3 double crochets on their own, and then you will be placing 2 double crochets together, and then 3 double crochets on their own, and so on and so forth. And then the round after that, it will be 4 double crochets on their own, then 2 double crochets together, and then once again 4 double crochets on their own. And just from round to round, just add a double crochet on its own to what you are already crocheting. I hope this is making sense. Okay, so once you have your 13 stitches, this is what it should look like, and this measures 14 inches across. So once you have this, we are going to be creating the beret shape. So to do this, obviously I've not fastened off. I'm just going to pop my hook through once again. So chain 1 and place a single crochet inside that same stitch. So 2 single crochet, pop your hook through directly, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and that creates a single crochet. Now skip the next stitch and go into the next with a single crochet once again. So there we go. Skip the next stitch and go into the next with a single crochet, and just continue this pattern all the way around of skipping one stitch and going into the next with a single crochet, and then I'll meet you back once you've gone all the way around. And I forgot to say, this is optional, but I usually do this, is place a stitch marker in the first single crochet that we did. It's just easier to identify that stitch. Okay, so as you can see, I've almost gone all the way around. I'm just going to take this stitch marker out and place my last single crochet, and now I'm simply going to be slip stitching through the first single crochet at the beginning, like so, to close off this round. And so now what we are going to be doing is placing a second round of single crochets. And so for this part, just chain 1, go back into the same stitch with a single crochet. Let me just zoom in and just place a single crochet this time into each and every stitch across this round. So just go ahead and place a single crochet into each and every stitch across until you reach the end of this round. Okay, so this is what I have for my second row of single crochets, and now what you will be doing is repeating this single crochet row that we've just done. Just repeat this another 9 times so that you have 10 rows in total. Okay, so I've gone all the way around and done all my rows. As you can see, I fastened off and tidied up my loose end. So this is what we have. I absolutely love this beret. It's so pretty, it's so elegant. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.